Uptown Swing level 1.
Charleston.
Maddie.
Peter.
We started with the entrance into kickaways, which we did last week. So kickaways we did, here's the entrance. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is when it happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there you go. Now you're in, doing kickaways. Remember, it's double kick, and you're turning all the time. Not this, that, this, that. You just turn it all the time, makes it much better. Y'all are really good doing that. Then we did around the world with it. So we're here. Double kick, then single, single, double kick. Right back into kickaways. We can be done anytime if I just catch my partner's back. Again, that's that 5. We just finish out that basic. Then we tried hand to hand, just like this. Hey, ho. Same thing as kickaways, except we're on the same feet and we're turning opposite directions. Ha, ha, ha. Then we tried getting from kickaways into hand. This is what you're gonna sleep on here. We did double kick, then kick, rack step, single, single, bam, and bam. Slow that down if you need to. We'll see y'all next week.